Hey guys, these are the Mutter Store impact adapter bits. Let's open these things up. All right, so they have two colors available. You can get them in silver or black. This is the silver color here, and they actually come in this nice case to keep them in until you need one. And you know how these things are. You use it for a while and then somehow it goes missing. So now you get a pack of 10. So you're always gonna have one of these ready to go. One thing to keep in mind though, they are slightly longer than the 3/8 impact adapters that I've used in the past. I would say, well, actually I have one right here. This is only a 1/4 inch, but this is your standard length for an impact adapter. If you look, this one is about, yeah, it's a 1/2 inch longer. They're marked with a 3/8 on them, and they have their little ball with plenty of pressure that's gonna lock onto any 3/8 socket. And let's see how well this slides in here. Yeah, fits right in. So fit perfectly in there. It's tight. Yeah, so it's not binding up. So the dimensions on these are really good. Even if one or two were to break, you got plenty to keep using these. And of course, you can always use these in a drill because they have that hex pattern on them. So you can just tighten the teeth around that. But they do snap right in really easily. So if you're looking for some impact adapters, these ones look really good. Excited to get these out in the garage so I never have to go looking for one. So if you're looking for a nice set of impact adapters, these 3/8 ones from Mutter Store are a good option.